Hello, everybody. Today we're going to open up Thomas Mini Twin Blind Bag. Let's open up this one.
Number one.
Whoa. There's Candy Cane Scarlovi.
Cool. Candy Cane Scarlowi, and he is in year 2016, round 3, bag number 54. Candy Cane Scarlowi. There he is. Nice. Here's a few of the other ones that we've already
And
opened.
even over here,
I'll go through all of
there's
that.
Racer Thomas.
Got some cool ones there. Okay.
Number two.
Oh, I'll do that.
Who is that?
Tooth Alien Bird.
Which one is it? Let's see.
Alien Bird.
Let's see. It is Bert. It is Bert. There we go.
My name is Bert.
What's the bag number? 53. Same year. Oh, 2016, round 4. Bag 53.
Oops.
Hey.
Sorry,
Cool ones here.
one person. Good. Eagle.
Oh, wow. Look at that. That's a nice diesel. Nice. And he is in bag 52. Same year, 2016, round 3.
Good. Tiger Bear.
Oh, wow, cool. Who is that? Let's see.
I got that or that.
Tiger Dash. Animal
Tiger
Dash.
Dash.
Wow, cool.
Almost as Bashman.
Yeah.
Number five.
We'll go with this one. Good, Millie.
Millie. Awesome.
And Ian's in number.
Year 2016, round 4. And bag number 50.
Oh,
See, the other one was round 3 instead of round 4.
yeah.
Okay.
Let's open up this.
Oh, there's no cut line on it. Here. Grab a scissor, honey. While your dad's cutting that one open, how about you open the new box, which has a new surprise every video. Like and subscribe for draws and to be entered into our draws and special giveaways. Hooray! Go ahead and open it up. Let's see what's inside.
So curious already.
What's inside? Ooh, what's in there?
You with little fuzzy and train and a Hot Wheels car.
Awesome.
I'm gonna open up put them on at a bunny bag. But
Show the front of the bag to the viewers. Oh, cool. Right on. Okay, let it rip. Open it up.
okay. So it's this one.
Aww. Its cutie mark is a $sign. And
This is
it's
Susie
really
Nightmare.
cute. Aww.
This
Cute.
is Susie Nightmare.
And it is Long Shot. Aww. Cute little collector card. Awesome. There. Let's see here.
Okay, now let's open up the Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels cars.
There's their names. There we go.
Hot Wheels too.
A Hot Wheels car. Oh, which one did you get? Ah, cool.
Here's
A
sticker,
cool
you know
black
how the
one.
sticker goes?
A sticker board. Oh, wow. Nice sticker. Look at that sticker that comes with it.
The stickers go right here.
Oh, nice. Here, you want to put the sticker on there? There you go.
Goes right here.
There, nice. Nice little sticker board.
Right here.
Nice. Good job. There you go. Right on.
Okay, now
Put this
it's
over
time
here.
to let it put it in. We do this.
Ooh, open it up.
And then you can...
Those trains are so cool. These are other Hot Wheels cars that were in the bags. Super awesome. Rip it open, bud.
Watch this.
Nice. Light up Percy.
You didn't know this. You didn't even collected the car.
Light up Racer Percy. There we go. See if you can connect that Percy to this Rosie. Does that one work by pushing it too? When you roll it, does it come on? Yep, that one rolls and lights. Look at the light flash while you're driving it. That is cool. And if you press the little funnel, show them what happens when you press the funnel in the front. You have a night light on, Percy. Same with Rosie. Go ahead and press Rosie's. Wow, do they connect together by any chance? Nope, they're just big. They're front ones and they're night lights. Here you go. Let's see. We got these ones here. Let's see which one you got this time.
Look, it has the top of them Toby, James, Gordon, and Percy, and Thomas.
Right on. The Mash'em. Thomas and Friends Mash'ems.
Oh, it's Gordon.
Oh, cool. Gordon, let's see him. Ooh, squishy, squishy. Go ahead and squish him. Whoa. He just got a massive squishy face, huh?
Yeah. Then we have this.
Oh, boy. Oh, pick up Sir Topham Hat. He fell down.
This is the biggest box in the world.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Ain't that cool?
This is the biggest box in the world.
Thomas and Friends.
Let's open it up.
Open it up.
Open it up. Oh.
Rip it open. That's okay. Whoops. Sorry, everybody. I covered up the camera. Here. Pull it out from here. Pull this part. Yeah, here. I'll hold the box and you pull. Nope, not working too good. I think that's why there's a flap here. Oh boy, you're gonna need help with that one. They are strapped in there. Just pull the whole thing out of there. Pull this out. Pull this part right out of the box. No, pull this out. Pull it out. Rip it out of the box. Rip the box. Honey, help me.
Yeah, but what was it? Knocking everything
Yeah, it's
over.
stuck in there like crazy, huh? There we go. This cool train here we'll show you is Cody. There's a really cool train. Check that out.
Here comes the ginormous,
Cody.
ginormous comet.
Cody. There we go. Look at that. Here we go. You can stack them inside of each other. Oh, that's so cool. You could use them also for playing in the sandbox. And you can clip them all together. That is a really first, like, for a younger child that wants to have a really cool Thomas toy. It is an awesome selection. It's called My First Thomas and Friends. And you can also use them for older ages in the sandbox. Make little sand castles the shape of Percy and James and Thomas. Here, let's see their faces as you stack them together. There you go. Now stack them together so you can see their faces. There, now unstack them and stack them on top of each other. This way. There you go. There. Does it work that way?
Nope.
There you go. Yep. I'm gonna set it up just right, huh? There you go. You can clip them together and play with them. That's cool.
James, Thomas, and Percy.
Here, let's show them how this works. Where's that other set, though?
James, Thomas,
That
and Percy.
is so cool. Rosy
Oh,
flashes. Where's the Percy like this? Is it on that side, buddy? On the floor?
Right here.
No, the one that lights, the brand new one. Without the hook, with the magnet in the back. That you can use as a flashlight. I like that. You press their dome and they have a flashlight, or you push them and they light up. And they have a
Watch
little
this,
light that
guys.
blinks on the inside.
Watch this, guys.
But they have a magnet in the back so they can pull the train.
Watch this, guys.
Okay, go ahead.
James, Thomas, and Percy. Hold out low.
Right on. Good job.
Can't be late. Here we come up there. Here we come once more. Hey, ho, hey, hey. Oh, in the gutter. Hey, hey. Walking and rolling home. Lifting and rolling. Hey. Whoa.
You like that?
Yeah.
Hey.
Bye, everybody. 2 thumbs up for these mini trains and these and this and this. And bye.
See you next time.
And like and subscribe. 2 thumbs up. Bye.